Je t'aime et j'espère que le colis va te plaire et arrête. Non, sérieux, pour être sérieuse. Je t'aime fort, j'espère que le colis va te plaire. J'espère que tu vas pleurer, voilà, parce que j'ai envie que tu pleures. Et voilà, je suis contente de t'avoir connue.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
I woke up like this.
And
I just really
am feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And I will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you.